We are going to check out how to find a shared doc, open it, and make sure it's in our drive and collaborate on it. So, first, let's find it. When someone shares a doc with you, it will be shared through the email. So, if you use your Gmail, the email comes up if it looks like this. If it's a doc, it'll say docs or a slide or a sheet, or depending on um, what format the document is in. And you click open. And now you're able to collaborate and type on it if you would like, or just to read it. Just depends on what uh, limitations or permissions the owner has granted you. But if you want to create your own document or make sure that you know where it's at, you're going to use add to my drive. Now, before I do that, let's take a look at what it looks like in your drive. All right, so here's my drive. It's a relatively new drive, and just for right now, I'm going to click off of this. And I don't see that anywhere in my drive. So here is a section of the drive for shared with me. And here it is. Now I can open that, but that's the only place. Maybe. There we go. That's the only place that document is at. So that's where I need to use the add to my drive. So there it is. If I didn't want to do it, I could undo it. Now, organizing it is also nice because you can move it to a folder. And in this case, as you see, I don't have a folder. So I'm going to create a folder and just call it received docs. Move this here. Now, if everything worked right, we should have a folder called received docs. And there's favorite author. So now it will show up in your search. If you're not sure you can find that document, now you also have your copy of it, and you can work with it. And again, depending on the permissions, sometimes if you've been given limitations or limits to the permissions where they won't let you download it or print it, there are ways around that. You could obviously contact the owner and maybe they'll change it for you and then you don't have to worry about it. Or sometimes we can make a copy, which we will go over later. So, just to review, go to your Gmail, invitation to edit, open it up, click open in docs. And notice here we have a folder so we can move it around, but before it said add to my drive. And you can add it to your drive and put it in the right folder. So then it shows up. Now the nice thing is that it also appears in shared with me. So if you can't find it, if your drive is so extensive, so many folders, and you can't find that, where did that thing go? You can go to shared with me and find it that way. Okay, so let's try collaborating on a document and moving some things to our drive.